Kung malambot ang flesh yung braso mo, kailangan diretso.
Naka-energize kasi ako dito.
I kind of like it though.
Dali-dali po.
Sige.
Like mo talaga yung kape.
Isa pa.
Lang po. May something talaga to.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Uminom ka ng coffee. Pag inom ko, natutunan ko. Try mo.
Ilang sandali pa, bumalik na si Jinri sa loob ng bahay.
You need someone to talk to, let me know, okay? We were here, okay? Just remember that. Jimmy, we're family, okay? We're a family here. We're gonna help you in any way, okay? We're gonna deal with this, okay? You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? Okay.
Make fun.
It's okay.
Make fun of
I
me.
know. But don't let them ruin your life, Jimmy.
I don't like it. It wasn't the spot.
I know.
That's why I will stay at the back. Life is good.
At the back. And like, do it slowly. We'll help you. We'll always be here to support you and learn with you, all of us. You're strong, Jimmy. You are a strong woman.
Si Jinri kumain na rin habang
Life is good.
kasama.
It's nice to be sensitive. Sometimes it's nice to cry. It's nice to cry.
Is it you get the trauma of like the bashing while you're dancing? Just don't mind them. We're here for you.
Can you do something for me?
What? This?
Life is good.
Nangyari kay Jay is what we call emotional baggage. Ito yung mga traumatic experiences, hindi nagkaroon ng closure.
You know you're missing dancing. It will migrate too much.
Dahil lang na-traumatize siya by the dancing, mean na hindi na dapat siya mag-dance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I'm really thinking about it. Okay lang, thinking kasi ano pala nag-start ka ba? When you start in right, ano na, dire-diretso na ako tingin niyo.
Ang importante doon is we need to follow her, yung pace niya.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay lang.
Ineos natin siya sa trauma, little by little, hanggang hindi na siya maapektuhan.
5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, di ba?
Habang nandungkat, may isa pang hahamunin sa kanilang gagawin task.
Ang team captain nyo, ang cheerleading na to, ay si Ellie.
Patay na.
At ang matibay na pagkakaibigan ni Jesus at Maymay, isang pagsubok din ang pagdaraanan.
Kaya, ano nangyayari dito? Ang sarang bago na ito. Masabi ko lang, kuya. Nahihirapan lang ako. Isa ang kaibigan. Simula lumabas kami. Every time na masaya ako sa ibang nalulungkot siya. Hindi ko alam, bigla na nagsimula na namin. Nahihirap na ako. Ano ko malaya. Parang ayun siya. Sana ayaw ko nakikita ko na